I'm probably going to get a copyright strike with all this singing. You're so accurate. What do you think of Tupholme Abbey then?
Did he use like a cowshed or something?
Cowshed?
Yeah, a bit of a cowshed.
I mean, to be fair, if you were a cow in that cowshed, you're pretty well looked after when it had a roof.
Yeah.
I can't get up. Heck. That was a bad idea, parking leaning to the left on a mixture of mud and gravel. Right, see if we can find the next abbey without mishap. I've got the drone up on that abbey, which you may have seen in a previous video, but then there's a possibility you didn't, because I did a trick I've done before where it's half a fox, where did the entire flight, then landed and then turned off the drone without pressing the button to stop recording. I've done that in the past twice. One time it recovered the footage, one time it didn't. Of course, the time it didn't was where I'd ridden 200 miles to get some video of something. Came on without any. Hey ho. This is just how I roll. With incompetence at every corner. Oh dear. The second abbey we're off to is less impressive than that one, I think. There's a lot less of it left. I think there's just one tall kind of, not necessarily a tower, but one tall towering piece. Still, our final destination being the castle, Bolingbroke Castle, that I think is basically just down to the bottom couple of layer of blocks. We have information sign. I think we have Abbey number 2. I was starting to get worried. Hey! Are we allowed in there? This one is Kirkstead Abbey. Can't see a sign saying no, not allowed. What Chris will think of this one. There's very little abbey left. I reckon I can drone this one with what I had left on the battery from the last one. I thought he was so unimpressed with the abbey that he'd buggered off. Amazing, isn't it? Are you impressed? I told you there was less of this one.
Yes, well, you're right. Might as well knock that bit down.
Give me a grumpy look. I think I've got a thumbnail. Perfect. I'm just off to walk around this abbey. I might be a while.
You might be, yes.
How long do you reckon?
Take care. 12 seconds.
They really don't want you going into it. Barbed wire. It's so thin. And that overhang as well. It makes me wonder how it stays up. Got quite a lean to it. See if I can do an arty shot. Look at that. It's like a giant candle. It's got a tree growing at the top of it. So that was the tiny remains of Kirkstead Abbey. Now we're going off route on purpose, rather than because of sat-nav issues. Chris wants food, and you can't get in the way of Chris wanting food. So I'll wrap this particular video up, and the next part will be starting at, well, probably at the chip shop, and heading off to Bolingbroke Castle.